In the previous video, we created a requisition and candidate selection process. It is easy to track a requisition as it goes through the process. To do that, you can use the Kanban view, where each column represents a certain status of the requisition. This view becomes available only when the app has configured statuses. There are two ways to configure them. You can go to the App menu and click Status Field, or go to the Status tab in the Process Designer. This option is only available if there is at least one process configured for the app. Let's add the following statuses: Pending, Approved, Unapproved, Posted, Filled, Closed. Let's check the final statuses. After a requisition reaches either of them, no other status can be assigned to it. Also, I will check the unapproved status as final. After the CEO declines the requisition, it will not return to the hiring manager for correction, but will be closed and the process will end. For the unapproved and closed statuses, I will check the hide option. Requisitions with a hidden status are not displayed on the Kanban board, but can be easily found in advanced search. Also, I will check this option in order to save the history of how a requisition's statuses change. You can later refer to this information in scripts when creating widgets or configuring business processes. You can change the statuses manually, or they can be changed automatically in a business process. In this video, I will show you how to set up automatic change of statuses using the settings that I have just shown you. Let's add statuses for the Candidates app. New, Interviewed, Completing Assessment Test. Test completed. Second interview completed. Offered, Not hired, Hired. Let's select the final statuses and check the Keep Change History option. Now let's open the process that we created in the previous video. Here, I will use the Manage Status element to configure automatic change of a requisition status at certain steps of the process. I will place this element right before the task to approve the requisition. In the settings, I will choose the variable that refers to the requisitions app and select the pending status. The name of the block on the diagram is created automatically. I will add several more blocks on other steps of the process. Now, let's add statuses for the Candidates app. I will add a new Manage Status block to the diagram. In the settings, I will choose the variable that refers to the Candidates app and then select the new status. I want to place this status right after the Submit New Candidate task. I will then add another one after the Add Feedback to the Candidates page task. Here, I want the status to change to Interviewed, Completing Assessment Test. Let's add several more Manage Status elements to the diagram. And then publish the process. Now the statuses of requisitions and candidates will change automatically during the process. For better data representation, let's select the Kanban view for the items on these apps. Here, each column represents a status. As an item goes through the steps of the process, it automatically moves from one column to another.